Forge Toys, so y'all's another Pokemon over there. They can be opening up Mega Evolutions, Ascended Heroes. Let's see what we can get. See what we get. Let's see. Here goes the QR code for whoever needs it. One to the front. I'm gonna say Leaf. Dark. See what we get. I like that card there. I kind of like that one too. And a Pikachu reverse. How about that? And did we get anything? No, we didn't get nothing. Well, y'all wasn't nothing out on there. Maybe next time there will be. If you'd like me to see, subscribe to my channel, please. Forge Toys out of here.